I don't want to be tardy, so I'll have to hold it in every single period.
Well, I don't think there is no break time.
There is.
Okay, then that's the time you...
It's only for minutes. It's like 5 minutes away from where I am.
Guys, dito na ako sa bahay. Ang daming reklamo ng mga bagets sa klase. Guys. Here it is. It's not the back. Yes. Okay, can you show that, guys? Pupunta kami sa store kasi meron kaming bibilhin na mga kailangan nila sa school na mga notebooks, may specific stuff na kailangan nila, guys. Anyway, naghahanap po sila ng mga hindi ko lang alam. Thanks, Ken! Please, you found it for Daddy. Ito yung ating lutuin, guys. Ilagay muna natin sa oven. Ay! Tapos merong mashed potato na partner. So, ilagay na natin sa oven, guys. Ayan.
I did it already in class.
Tapos, kailangan namin ng deodorant, guys. By 4:27.
Do that.
Let's alarm. Mag-alarm tayo.
Jacob!
Guys, tara. Dalhin natin si Kuya sa gym. Tapos, La, you're tired, Ken? Why you still wanna go to the gym? You look so tired. You know what's gonna happen? We should make a good schedule. Like, you should go like at 6 o'clock. You know what I mean? You come home, do your homework, take a nap, and then wake up and then go to the gym. Yeah.
Well, that's what I was gonna tell you.
Well, okay, let's do that tomorrow, okay? Dali natin to siya sa gym and then punta kami ni Cassandra sa store dahil kailangan namin, di ba sabi ko kanina, kailangan namin ng mga bagay na need nila sa school. Meron kasi sila mga specific na kailangan eh. So, bibili lang natin and then we need to buy some deodorant, guys. Oh yeah, what do you use? The purple one? Okay, is it better? It don't make your underarms sweat?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's what I use and it don't make my armpits sweat. So guys, let's go. Samahan nyo kami, okay? Yan, get a bag. Girl, can you get a bag? Please.
Okay.
That phone will disappear. Well, sorry. It's okay. Kuha tayo ng na pula. You have the bag?
No.
I don't know. Tomato? Tara guys, kuha tayo ng kamatis. Maganda ngayon mag-shop kasi wala masyadong tao. Tayo ng kamatis, guys. Ayan. Pero mga organic. Where's the one that's not organic?
I don't know. Getting the list out.
That's coolest, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Tara. Hanap pa tayo ng hindi organic na kamatis. Kuha tayo ng green bell pepper, oh. Ayan, oh. So fresh. Open. Kasi gawa natin yung stir fry ang asawa natin. I don't know if that one's... Maybe we should just put it there. Unan siguro natin ng dinner si asawa, no? Like cheesesteak. Alright, let's go. Look at the pants that you like.
Oh yeah. $4.
We have watermelon, the half.
Nah, Dad threw it away.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
Guys, wala masyadong tao dito. Yan nga, maganda eh. So, punta na muna kami sa...
Dad. That's fine.
Punta na muna kami sa ano guys, sa
Not even Halloween yet.
sa school supplies. Tara, let's
Supplies
go.
right here.
Tayo ng notebook. So, isang blue. Nagbili ako ng t-shirt. Ayan. T-shirt ni Kuya. Isang blue. Isang red. No, I need for Kent.
No,
Right, let's go. And colored pencils. Tapos, dagdagan mo. Ay, ito nga. Subject notebook. Iba-iba pala to sila. Okay, pareho lang pala sila. Okay. Tapos, ayun na si Madam. Colored
only have
pencils.
red pens, okay?
Tapos,
Only have red.
colored
There's no
pens.
black pens in this whole entire area.
Colored pencils, colored pens. Right here.
They need to be red and black.
Ito guys, colored pencils.
Colored pencils are right here, man.
I know, right here. Okay, good. So guys, ito na po yung so far yung binili namin. Kompleto na yung school supplies nila.
This one's cute.
Ayan. Ayan lang naman ang need. Okay. Mag-exchange lang siya. Meron dyang mga chorba. Binder, highlighters, pens, color pencils. Ayan. Late na kasi kami namili guys. Dahil last year, ang dami nang pinamili namin. Kasi yung school, naglalagay lang po sila ng mga kailangan at saka mga bibilhin mo bago ang school. Pero the truth is, meron na po yung iba sa school nila. Libre galing sa mga teacher, galing sa school talaga. Kaya, inantay na namin na ngayon bumili para talaga alam ng mga bata kung ano talaga yung mga kailangan. So, anyway, pagkatapos dito mga guys, yung camera ko feeling ko nabasa or something. Pagkatapos pala dito mga guys, bibilihan ko lang siguro ng dinner ang asawa ko and then bibili kami ng dog food. Dog food na naman.
I need help.
Why?
I get these because she talked about these, but I don't know.
Well, like I said, if there's not on the list, you don't need to get it right now. Just wait.
It was on her syllabus, but I don't have her syllabus, so I can't show you. Do you have it?
No. Andito dog food, guys. Oh, they don't have the...
Yes, they do. Are you blind? It's right there.
Oh, yeah, can you move this, please? Ito pala, dog food. Are you sure?
Yes, Mom. Positive.
But that's like... Parang nag-iba naman ang kulay. But anyway, okay na to. Aray.
You don't believe me? That's very hard.
I do. Aray.
Get more money.
Itong asong tong daming pudang.
If you're not paying price for them, why
Alright,
bother
guys.
getting? Click on my face.
Hi guys, andito kami ngayon sa Philly cheesesteak.
Click on my face real quick.
Why? Nag-order.
I want to click on my face. I want to see what happens.
Nothing.
Oh.
Gamit natin ang lens guys. Tapos, nag-order lang kami dinner ng aking asawa para hindi na ako magluto. Kasi alas 6 na. So, naka-order na kami. Antayin lang natin yung order. Pagkatapos dito, uwi na kami. Hopefully, hindi pa muna mag-text si Kent na time to pick him up. Kasi pagod na talaga ako guys. Gusto ko na mag-relax. Ayan, niluluto pa nila. Tapos may pano dyan. Dito lang to sa Walmart guys. Ayan o. Walmart, ayan.
It's really good. Guys, if you guys ever come to Walmart, recommend this. I have something to do after school. I have to finish that About Me project, and then I have to, what's it called? I have to shop.
Ito na yung order namin, guys. 'Di ba? Tapos na agad. Kasi kaya asawa lang yan, guys. Kaya madali lang. Kasi, yung sa amin. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Right. Kasi yung sa amin, guys, prime rib at saka mashed potato. So, tara, guys. Tapos na kami dito. Let's go home. Hi, guys. Lowbat po tayo. Pero andito na kami ni Cassie sa bahay. Mag-charge lang tayo saglit, guys. And then, maya konti kukunin na po natin. So, kuya. So, let's go. Finally, guys. Grabe, magaling din tong ano na to kasi fast charging po talaga siya. Tingnan nyo. Chika ko sa inyo. Tingnan nyo kung anong nangyari doon sa ano. Grabe. Nag-change ang kulay ng ano, guys. Pulang-pula. Kita nyo? Ay, hindi. Ang layo kasi. Yan. So, si asawa ko na ang kumain na ang lahat, guys. Si asawa ko na yung nag-pick up kay Kuya Ken. Kasi nasi-sense siguro ni asawa ko na pagoda ang kanyang nanay. Ay, nanay. Nasi-sense siguro ng asawa ko, guys. Ilagay natin tong ano.
Mom, I'll just take a shower before I do this.
What it says in there.
So you basically have to like blot it, but don't rub it in. Then like for the first 3 minutes, you have to check small areas, and then a few more minutes, so 3 more minutes, and then gently wipe with
That's
the
correct.
damp.
Okay, go shower first then.
Alright.
Kasi gagamitin namin yung recommend.
Don't say it!
Okay, fine. Huwag na lang daw sabihin. Basta para sa ano, alam niyo na. Para sa mga teenagers. Para sa kilikili. Gamitin nga natin tong ano. Ayan. Kaya lang siya, guys, na bababa talaga yung lens. Ganito ba talaga to, guys? But anyway, mga guys, so ayun na nga, nakapag-dinner na po ang lahat. All ano na, so nasiyan siguro ng aking asawa, guys, na paguda na talaga ang kanyang asawa. So, siya na lang talaga ang na pick upin si Kuya. Anyway, tara. Tapos, ito na yung, di na ako nag-haul ng mga pinamili, guys. Pero, eto, nakapamili na kami ng mga turba. Ito yung kay Kuya. Ayan. Nakuha na ni Cassie yung sa kanya. So, i-close muna natin yung mga blinds natin, guys. Dahil, I'm sorry, guys, ha. Talagang dyan pa rin ako nakatingin sa aking ano, dito pa rin. Dapat dito ako tumingin sa camera. Luka-luka. Tapos, what I usually do is, magpe-prepare na po ako ng lunch ni Gabriel. Or snacks, mga ganun. Para sa kanyang school. Kasi, iba yung ano, iba yung snacks, iba din yung lunch. So, gawin na natin, guys, no? Simple lang naman. So, na-steady na naman. So, ito lang, bali separate siya gagawin kasi yun ang request ng teacher. Gagawan sila ng snacks kasi 9 o'clock in the morning is mag-i-snack daw sila. So, ito lang, guys. Tapos, iba naman yung sa kanyang lunch. Kasi, yun na yung may mga sandwich, may mga prutas, may mga chorba. Hello! So, you ready for shower? Hi! How's your workout? Why you look sad? Tired? Okay. Paguda daw siya, guys. Ay, sandali lang. Ayusin muna natin to kasi hindi